Today I am reviewing the Medify MA-40 Air Purifier with True HEPA H13 Filter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to improving indoor air quality, especially in homes, apartments, or shared spaces, a reliable air purifier is no longer a luxury. It has become a necessity for many people. The Medify MA-40 Air Purifier is designed to handle exactly that challenge, offering high-capacity air cleaning with advanced filtration technology built for modern living environments. Right from the beginning, one of the most impressive aspects of this unit is its coverage area. It is capable of cleaning spaces up to nearly 1,800 square feet in just 1 hour, which makes it suitable not only for bedrooms, but also for large living rooms, open apartments, offices, classrooms, and even commercial environments. This level of coverage is something you typically expect from much larger and more expensive systems, yet it is packaged into a relatively compact and user-friendly design. At the core of this purifier is its True HEPA H13 filtration system, which is one of the most effective filtration standards available in consumer air purifiers. It is designed to capture up to 99.9% of airborne particles down to extremely small sizes, including dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke particles, and various airborne pollutants. This makes a noticeable difference for people who suffer from allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to air quality changes. One of the most important real-world benefits of this type of filtration is its ability to handle everyday household air issues. For example, if you live with pets, you will notice a reduction in pet hair particles and dander floating in the air. If you live in areas affected by smoke or pollution, the purifier helps reduce lingering odors and airborne contaminants. Even in normal environments, it contributes to a noticeably fresher and cleaner indoor atmosphere over time. Another strong feature of this device is its high clean air delivery rate, or CDR of 406, which indicates how quickly it can filter air in a given space. In practical terms, this means faster air circulation and more frequent cleaning of the room's air volume. This is especially useful in larger rooms where air tends to stagnate or where multiple sources of pollution are present. Despite its powerful performance, the purifier is designed with quiet operation in mind. It offers multiple fan speeds, and at lower settings, it operates at a very low noise level that is suitable for bedrooms or work environments. There is also a dedicated sleep mode that reduces noise further while dimming the display lights, making it ideal for overnight use without disturbing rest. Ease of use is another area where this device performs well. The touch control panel is straightforward and intuitive, allowing you to adjust settings such as fan speed, timer, sleep mode, and child lock with minimal effort. The inclusion of filter replacement indicator is also helpful, as it removes the guesswork from maintenance and ensures the purifier continues to operate efficiently. The filter system itself is designed for long-term use, with each replacement filter lasting around 3,000 hours, which translates to roughly 6 months depending on usage. This makes maintenance relatively predictable and manageable, especially for households that run the purifier continuously. Safety and certification are also important considerations, and this model is backed by CARB and EEL certifications, which indicate that it meets recognized safety and performance standards. Additionally, it comes with a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer, which adds an extra layer of confidence for long-term use. In everyday operation, what stands out most is how quickly the environment feels different once the purifier is running consistently. Air feels lighter, odors are reduced, and overall indoor freshness improves gradually. While air purifiers are not instant transformation devices, the cumulative effect over hours and days becomes very noticeable. There are no overly complicated setups or learning curves involved. You simply plug it in, select your preferred mode, and let it run. This simplicity makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from tech-savvy individuals to those who prefer straightforward, no-fuss appliances. Overall, the Medify MA-40 is a powerful and well-balanced air purifier designed for large spaces and demanding environments. It combines strong filtration performance, wide coverage, quiet operation, and user-friendly controls into a single system that focuses on consistent air quality improvement. If you are looking for a device that can significantly improve indoor air freshness, reduce allergens, and maintain cleaner breathing conditions in larger rooms, this air purifier stands out as a solid and reliable option.